Have you ever changed your domain settings, refreshed your website, and wondered why nothing happened? In this video, I'll show you how to check DNS propagation in 2026 using DNSChecker, one of the fastest and easiest tools for checking whether your domain updates are actually live around the world. So first, what is DNSChecker? DNSChecker is a free online tool that lets you verify DNS records across multiple global locations. Instead of waiting and guessing after changing your hosting, name servers, or domain records, DNSChecker shows you what different servers are seeing. To get started, open DNSChecker.org in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search box at the top. Step 1. Enter your domain name. This could be your website, blog, store, or client domain. Step 2. Select the DNS record type you want to check. For most users, A record checks if your domain points to the correct server. CNAME checks aliases. MX records verify email setup. NS records confirm name servers. TXT records help with verification and email security. After selecting the record type, click Search. DNSChecker will now show results from locations around the world. If you see mostly green check marks, your DNS changes are reaching those servers successfully. If some regions still show old results, that usually means propagation is still happening. One thing to keep in mind, DNS propagation isn't always truly instant. User discussions mention that these tools reflect what different resolvers currently have cached, so results are helpful but not always perfect predictions of what every visitor sees. Now let's talk about why people like DNSChecker. The biggest advantage is simplicity. You don't need technical knowledge or command line tools. It's fast, browser-based, and gives visual global results. Another benefit is the extra utilities built into the platform like DNS lookup tools, WHOIS lookup, SSL checking, and network troubleshooting. As for downsides, some beginners may not fully understand the results at first, and advanced users may still prefer command line tools for deeper diagnostics. Overall, if your goal is quickly checking whether your DNS changes are visible worldwide, DNSChecker remains one of the easiest tools to use in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more website and software tutorials, and tell me in the comments what tool you want reviewed next.